In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download video in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly which buttons to click, what settings to choose, and what to expect while your file saves to your device. First, make sure you are in the Canva editor with the video project you want to download open. If you have multiple designs, double-check you've selected the correct one so you don't waste time exporting the wrong file. Canva autosaves frequently, so any recent edits should already be synced. Now, look toward the top right corner of the editor for the Share button and click it. This is your hub for exporting and publishing options in Canva. If you don't see it immediately, expand your browser window or close any side panels, so the top toolbar is fully visible. From the Share menu, choose Download. This tells Canva you want a copy of your project saved to your device rather than sharing it via a link or posting it directly to a platform. You'll see a panel with format choices and a main download button. Before you press that button, select the file type. For videos, choose MP4 video from the drop-down. This is essential if your design includes audio or voiceover, because MP4 preserves sound along with the visuals. You may also see options like GIF, which can be great for short, looping, silent visuals, but a GIF does not include audio. If your project has music, narration, or sound effects, MP4 video is the right choice. With MP4 video selected, click the main download button. Canva will start preparing your file, and you'll see a progress bar indicating the status. The time it takes depends on your video's length, layers, and overall quality. Short, simple clips export quickly, while longer projects with animations or multiple scenes can take a bit more time. Keep the browser tab open while it processes and try not to navigate away until it finishes to avoid interruptions. Once the progress completes, your file will download to your device, typically to the default downloads folder set by your browser. If you are working on a slower connection, give it an extra moment. A stable internet connection helps the export process run smoothly. If you see additional options in the download panel, they may relate to pages or quality presets. These are optional and can be left as is. If you just want a straightforward export, that's it. Thanks for watching.